Are you trying to find the best glass cleaners? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best glass cleaners. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. In addition to polishing glass oven surfaces, this well-liked cooktop cleaner from Wyman also removes burned and stuck-on food. This glass cleaner, which is safe for induction cooktops, differs from most others in that it is a cream that must be applied, scrubbed, and then wiped or buff off. Your fragile cooktops won't be scratched by the non-abrasive solution, but take note that it also won't be able to get rid of any deeper marks or scratches that already exist. To clean food and oil stains off glass or ceramic surfaces, such as cooktops and oven doors, this product is packaged in a kit with everything you need. Along with the cleaning cream, you also receive a razor for scraping caked on food and a scouring pad with a plastic handle that is simple to hold. The latter is used to scrape out any debris that may still be present. With a cloth or paper towel, you may easily clean it after all the gunk has been discharged. Number 2. There is a good reason why Windex is one of the most widely used glass cleaner brands available. It cleans all types of glass surfaces, but mirrors, which rapidly reflect and multiply smudges, fingerprints, and dirt specks, benefit from its exceptional effectiveness. Despite the fact that ammonia is a component of its recipe, it uses far less than in the past and has no overpowering chemical odor. As long as you use the glass cleaner in a space that is well ventilated, this enables it to remove dirt and grime more effectively without grating on the user. Alternatively, you can choose the ammonia-free version if you'd prefer to completely eliminate the chemical. The fact that Windex's glass cleaner is offered in a variety of variants to meet your unique cleaning requirements is something we truly like. It is offered in a sizable 1-gallon container, so you may refill current spray bottles if you find yourself using it at warp speed, which by the way are made with recycled ocean-bound plastic. Number 3. This cutting-edge glass spray can clean your car's windows until they are shining, making it a need for car owners who live in places that see frequent rain. Rain-repelling qualities of the Rain-X glass cleaner ultimately result in clearer visibility while driving through downpours. As opposed to flowing down the windshield and obstructing your field of vision, its formulation is intended to cause water to bead up and swiftly roll off the glass. It will prevent you from having to open the window in order to check your blind area on side windows without wipers. This automobile window cleaner is not only excellent for rain, but it will also keep ice, snow, and even bugs from adhering to the glass. If they do, however, they will easily wipe away once your windshield wipers are activated. You won't notice any surprises on the windshield when the sun shines, just so because the product doesn't leave any streaks or wipe marks either. You can use Rain-X on shower doors, house windows, and other glass surfaces that frequently come into touch with water, in addition to the exteriors of cars. Number 4. The invisible glass cleaning spray will accomplish exactly what it says on the bottle: make the glass appear invisible. If your house has a lot of windows, it won't leave behind a film or any clouds, streaks, or other traces. Since this water-based glass cleaner is quite liquid, you must act quickly by wiping it off as soon as you apply it. Even though it might seem contradictory, applying additional product will aid in reducing runoff-related streaking. Spray liberally on the glass surface of dirty windows to remove dirt with a squeegee, then wipe with a towel for a streak-free finish. You can spray a little of this solution on a cloth first, then wipe down the surface to avoid stray drips. For light cleaning jobs like weekly dusting and shining of mirrors or glass cabinet doors. Because you can use this cleaner on the inside and outside, as well as on windows, mirrors, and headlights, it is a fantastic option for cleaning cars as well. When you initially spray it, the only aroma is a faint chemical stench, but it quickly fades and doesn't persist for very long. Number 5. Glass shower doors that reach the ceiling may look slick, but cleaning them can be difficult. You'll require a quality shower cleaning solution, such as this one from Clean Shower, to prevent water stains and soap scum. The reasonably priced spray is designed to prevent hard water stains and blemishes on your shower or bathroom surfaces. Use this spray on newly cleansed and cleaned surfaces for optimal results when using it for the first time. When you take a shower after that, spray it on the wet shower doors. Not even wiping or rubbing will be necessary. Shower curtains, drains, and faucets may all be cleaned with this cleanser. The recipe is made to prevent water from adhering to your shower doors and drying there, keeping them spotless. The spray will spare you from doing any intense scrubbing during your routine bathroom cleaning sessions, even if it isn't intended to remove mold or mildew. A refinished, natural stone, or natural marble surface shouldn't be treated with this product. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.